Hi, Heather here with Starkweather Association Services. Welcome to our 1 Minute YM series, all about helping you make your association as successful as possible on the YM technology platform. We are their most experienced and trusted partner, so we definitely have a mission to help you succeed as much as you can using this for your member database. This month, we have been discussing some useful reports to create within the exports and reporting tool. If you have missed those, be sure to look back through our library and check those out. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a renewal report with NYM and then use that data to calculate your yearly or monthly renewal rates, depending on how you're using this. Typically, you want to aim for at least a 75% renewal rate. If you are not there, no worries. You can definitely just use this as a calculation to see where you stand. If you need to add more things, maybe more follow-up, maybe more reach out throughout the year to engage them, more value, just giving you that base rate so you know what to work with and can check back monthly to see where you stand. All right, let's get to creating this and see how your association is holding up. First, you want to navigate to that custom reporting area. That's going to be in exports and reporting, build a query report, and area of interest is directory. You're going to grab date membership expires, date registered, the email address, first name and last name, member type, membership, and website ID. You can definitely grab more, but for today, we're just going to select a few of those. Scroll down, continue to query filters, and then you're going to manage the criteria. I already have this populated, but what you're going to do is add a criteria and then input these particular values within the entity, field, condition, and value. So the first one is the member, non-member, date member registered, date registered is less than 6/30/2023. So that particular criteria line is going to tell us that anyone on the site who is at their 1 year anniversary date or older, so before June 30th of 2023, and their anniversary date would be 6/30/2024. And then the second criteria you see is member, non-member. Date membership expires is greater than or equal to June 30th, 2023. And what that is going to give you is it's going to show those who are expired or current in the system, but are at least 1 year or older, but eliminating anybody who have expired. Eliminating anyone who has expired previously and did not remove. So those particular individuals will not show up. So this particular criteria set is going to give me a report of everyone from my previous year, if my fiscal year ran July 1st, 2023 through June 30th, 2024. You can definitely alter those dates to fit your need. And now you're going to run the report. Go ahead and save and schedule that, complete that particular information. You're going to name it, place it within the directory, share it with others, and save. And then the next thing you want to do is export that data. And once we export that data, what we're going to be doing is calculating a renewal rate. And what that involves is determining the percentage of members who renew their membership within that time frame that you're giving it. So we've already identified the time period within the criteria. Now we got to determine the number of members that are eligible for renewal and count the number of members who actually have renewed during that renewal period. And that's going to give us our renewal rate. So for example, when we exported this data, we're going to get members eligible for renewal and make sure to sort this first column, date membership expires A to Z. And then you're going to get a count here, and your count is going to be 12. So there was 12 members eligible for renewal. And then we're going to get those that are current. So anybody that has an expiration date greater than that 6/30/2024. And so when we do that, we're getting total 9 members that have renewed during that time. And our renewal rate, what you do is calculate those who have renewed by those that are eligible, and then times that by 100 to get your percentage. So 9 divided by 12 times 100 is 75. So there's a 75% annual renewal rate on our particular test site. And I know that's a simplified version, which you can do. There's also different things you can do in Excel to calculate those numbers for you. But for today's purposes, if you're a novice to Excel, that will do you just fine. So there you have it. That is how you get an accurate renewal rate within the YM system. You can add additional criteria as well to suit how your association determines a current member. Maybe it's different member types, memberships, maybe you have sub accounts. If you need further help getting these reports, we know how to build renewal, retention reports, and a lot of other reports as well. So please contact our team for help. We have worked the ins and outs of this reporting system and understand the many nuances of getting accurate data. So let our team do that heavy lifting so you can get the information you need and keep doing that job you have to do. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this helpful, please like or comment. This helps us know what content to create to keep helping you utilize your membership. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Bye.